What happens when wizards are allowed to cause chaos on purpose? Today we're at the Harry Potter Studio Tour to check out their Magical Mischief feature. Hi all, welcome back to Mr. O's Adventures. Today we're at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour London for their Magical Mischief event. And it's all about pranks, tricks, and total wizarding chaos. Unfortunately, we lost footage of me opening the Great Hall doors, which was epic. But trust me, it was awesome. The Great Hall looks amazing, but today I was dressed for the OWL exams from the Order of the Phoenix, complete with Dolores Umbridge. If you've seen Order of the Phoenix, you'll remember when the Weasley twins caused absolute chaos. This is basically that, but in real life. One of the coolest things about the studio tour is that you get to see how they made everything. Some of the effects weren't even CGI, they were real effects. During my other visits, this area had a Death Eater that you learn to battle. For Magical Mischiefs, its setup was the Cornish pixie scene from Chamber of Secrets. Sigh. Walking through Diagon Alley never gets old. But with Magical Mischief, there are extra little prank details hidden around, so keep your eyes open. This section might be my favourite. There are lots of Weasley-inspired products here, all colourfully designed by the amazing Mina Lima. The detail is insane. It looks exactly like it does in the films. The rest of the tour is amazing, and whilst there aren't many other changes, it's always worthwhile to pick activity passports. As for Magical Mischief, there are some Cornish pixies hiding around the tour. So, is Magical Mischief worth it? It's really fun and colourful. If you like the Weasley twins or Mischief, then you'll love this. And there's still loads to look at. However, it's not as festive as the winter scenes from Hogwarts in the snow, or as dramatic as Dark Arts. It's more about the details and huge changes. But I think it's really cool. Well, that's our review done. Hope you enjoyed watching this review as much as I did making it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!